In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draft and improve emails with Copilot. By the end, you'll know how to generate a clear first draft and polish a message so it reads exactly the way you want. Start by opening a new email or an existing message if replying. In the toolbar, click the Copilot icon and choose Draft. In the Copilot box, type a prompt explaining what you need, such as, "Draft an email to the team about the project deadline." The more context you provide, including audience, key points, or actions, the better the draft. Click Generate, and Copilot will create the draft. Review it carefully to fine-tune content, adjust length for conciseness or detail, and change tone to be formal, friendly, or persuasive. Ensure accuracy, correct dates, details, expectations, attachments, and links. To improve an existing email, open your draft or message, click the Copilot icon, and select Coaching by Copilot. Copilot analyzes your message and suggests enhancements for tone, clarity, and structure. Suggestions may include simplifying sentences, adding a call to action, or softening language. Apply all suggestions at once or incorporate changes individually to maintain control over final wording. Ensure the message still reflects your intended meaning and style. Copilot helps communicate effectively, but you remain in charge. That's it. Open or reply, draft with Copilot, refine length and tone, then use coaching to elevate clarity and impact. With thoughtful prompts and quick edits, your emails will be professional, clear, and ready to send.